Today, I will show you how to customize the Windows taskbar. To begin, right-click on any empty spot on a taskbar. Then select Taskbar Settings. From here, you can choose to show or hide what buttons appear on your taskbar. Let's begin with the Search button. If I click this drop-down arrow, I get a few options. I can hide the Search button from the taskbar. I will click that. The Search button is lost from the taskbar. Also, you can show only the search icon, both icon and label, or just the search box. You can also disable the task view icon on your taskbar if you don't want your taskbar to be overcrowded with icons. I will turn that off. At any time, you can use the keyboard shortcut to open a task view. Same with the widgets. I will turn that off. The widgets can be pretty much noisy at times. I will scroll down and expand the taskbar behaviors area. From here, I can change the taskbar alignment. Typically, the Windows 11 taskbar icons are centered, but you can also align them to the left side of the taskbar. If I click this drop down, I have the option to move the taskbar icons to the left side. I will click that. And now you will see the taskbar icons have been moved to the left side of the taskbar. Then I can automatically hide the taskbar from the Dice tab. I will check that box. The taskbar is gone. To see the taskbar after it's hidden, hover or touch the bottom edge of your screen. Now the taskbar pops up. I will uncheck that. You can also show badges on taskbar apps. This will let you know that some activity is happening or needs to happen with that app. And also show flashing on taskbar apps. This allows icons on the taskbar to flash to get your attention when they need it. The other options here are grayed out because I'm on a single monitor. These are for dual monitors. I can also share my window from my taskbar. I will check that. This is a productivity hack and improve the process of sharing information during online meetings, particularly when using Microsoft Teams. You got more options available to you. Feel free to kind of play with them to suit your styles. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and share to see more tech tips.